We have gathered here today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Melissa and Nathan. This is not the beginning of a new relationship, but an acknowledgement of the next chapter in their lives together. Nathan and Melissa have spent years getting to know each other, and we now bear witness to what that relationship has become. Today we are here together to unite Melissa and Nathan in marriage.
I'm on fire today, so who's gonna put me out? You are hired today, everybody run and shout for life.
I am so happy to be standing up here with you today. From day one of our relationship, you have been the most supporting, loving partner I could ever ask for. There's a quote I found: "Love is a verb, not a noun. It's about finding someone that you can look at and say, I want to go through the trenches of life with you and come out the other side together." Looking at you right now, in front of me, oh gosh, I know that you are the man that I want to be with forever, through all of the ups and downs. You have been the most caring, loving, and understanding partner that I could ever hope for. You mean the world to me, and I can't wait for forever with you. I love you, Nathan.
Ma chérie, I love and cherish all the time I spend with you. I look forward to all the years to come that we shall spend together. All the years of being silly when we're happy and consoling each other when we're sad. All the years of cleaning our home and cooking meals together. I look forward to all the mornings I'll get to wake you up with the scent of breakfast, usually omelets, or with a flurry of kisses and tickles. Je t'aime beaucoup, ma chérie.